Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you an amazing Shopify deal. Now with this exclusive link, you can get a 3-day free trial and an exclusive $1 deal on Shopify for the first month. So this means you'll get a 90% discount and on top of that, a free trial for 3 days. It's honestly the best deal you can get on the internet and there's no other deal like it. And you can get this deal right now by clicking the link in the description down below. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you click my personal link in the description box, you'll automatically claim the free trial plus bonuses on Shopify, and there's no code needed. If you're not sure how to do this correctly, let me explain it. First of all, once you click my personal link in the description below, you'll be directed to this landing page right here on Shopify. So to sign up, simply type in your existing email address and click start free trial. Then you'll be prompted to fill out this form and you can either skip this part or fill it out. Some people skip through it and some don't. It's up to you, but once you skip or fill this out, you're going to add your region and create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll see different plans that are available to you. I recommend picking a plan right away before you start your business, so that way you can build your website without interruption. The main plans are Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. Now, as is, these plans are priced at higher points. But if you're trying to discover Shopify, explore the tools, and just overall experiment with it, I recommend starting with the Basic plan. As you can see, using my exclusive link, you will only need to pay $1 for the first month instead of the regular price. You can test out the tools and features that Shopify offers and see for yourself if it's the right app for you, all for $1. This is especially amazing considering that Shopify is one of the best, if not the best, platform to start selling online. So here's a brief overview of the plans. The Shopify Basic plan is a suitable option for small businesses that want to establish a comprehensive online store with omni-channel selling capabilities, including dropshipping. Compared to the Lite plan, Basic offers more features, such as an online store with a website and blog. It also allows users to list an unlimited number of items and sell them on various online marketplaces and social media channels. The standard Shopify plan offers all the features that come with the Basic plan, along with performance reports, support for up to 5 staff accounts, and the ability to purchase gift cards. You will also have access to the abandoned cart recovery tool. This plan is essential for selling internationally as it allows you to use country-specific domains and currency conversions. And lastly, the Advanced plan is for businesses that sell large volumes both online and in person. It offers unlimited storage, 15 staff accounts, third-party calculated shipping, customized reporting, and e-commerce automation. Either way, any of the plans are worth the grab. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll leave my personal link in the description down below so that you can claim this insane Shopify deal. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.